Hi everyone, so I'm mega excited to be heading back to Australia this February, and it's only 2 or 3 weeks away until I leave, so really excited. A big thank you to Scott from Bake Boss for inviting me back again. So as you'll know, in the past I've been over there, but I've just been doing demos. This time he's actually allowing me to do some classes, which is really exciting. So I'm going to be doing the playful dragons, which you'll see just behind me there, and it's a great 3D sort of gratifying cake. You're going to learn how to sort of do the internal structure. You've got the cake, how to ice the awkward cakes, and of course adding all little magical touches to that. So I'm going to be teaching that in Perth, I'm going to be in Brisbane, I'm going to be in Sydney, I'm going to be in Melbourne and Adelaide. So mega excited. And also mixed into that, I'm going to do a few demo nights as well. So you might see the jungle cake behind me there. I'm going to be doing some dates there as well. Now the dates will be on the Bake Boss website. They might even pop up on the screen while I'm talking just now, who knows. So I'm really excited to be coming back to Australia. I'd love to see you in one of the classes. Let's go and have some fun. Thanks.